Let me introduce myself. I'm Philippe Gauthier, General Manager at GMS Security. GMS Security is a family business with over 40 years of experience, and now one of the largest security integrator in Gatineau, Ottawa. Today, we bring you on a tour of the Agora project right here in Gatineau, a creation of Junique Construction. The particularity of this project is that it includes 3 buildings. The ground floor is commercial, the 2 upper floors are residential rental apartment, and on the underground, we have 1 big parking. Security was undoubtedly a priority for Junique. It was therefore by working with our partner in Access that we made the product selection. For access control, we choose the Protege GX system from ICT, integrating 8 ICT intercoms. For the camera system, we opted for the Arkiv VMS, and we use Storm 4 megapixel IP cameras, and including analytical research licenses for a few cameras in particular. Hey, welcome now at Argon. Argon is a co-working place inside Agora. What is nice about this project is we have a full integration here. What I mean, so we decided to go with the WX ICT access control solution because it was more cost effective, but also because we have a full integration in real life with the Salto wireless door lock through a SALIS solution. It was really important here to have only 1 fob and 1 platform, so easy to manage for the customer. But also, we have a full integration with the alarm system. So what is nice about WX? We have that integration with Salto, but also for the alarm system through the ICT alarm system. It was important for us and for the customer, like you can see it's beautiful here, to respect the aesthetic. WX was the right choice. So we are in the main lobby now. In the project, we have about 8 intercom like this. Those intercom are ICT intercom, and they are fully integrated to the GX system. It was really important for the customer to have only 1 platform to manage. What is nice about this intercom also? Anti-vandal, really solid intercom. Touch here, touch screen, and then you can call, and it's easy to manage visitor.
Okay guys, so you see, door is locked, Salto wireless key, wireless lock. So here we have access, and here you can see our main panel where you have the WX controller, you have a 2-door expander and the power supply. And in this system you will have the alarm system and the access control and the integration with the Salto wireless locks.
So like I mentioned at the beginning, we have a huge parking lot here. This is phase 1, but it will extend to phase 2 and phase 3. We have camera system everywhere. It was important for the client to be able to have an overall view of the parking lot for security and accident. So we use here Storm camera fixed lens 4 megapixel. So the complexity here of the project is you have commercial and residential, and we also have 2 elevators. 1 elevator is dedicated to the commercial and 1 elevator is dedicated to the residential. So what we did here, we put the elevator or the access to the elevator to a schedule. So 8 to 5 you have access to the elevator here. But for residential is a bit different. What we did here, we did control the push button of the elevator. So if you come here, you'll see right now I'm not allowed to use the elevator. I need my fob and the permission, and then I can call the elevator. This is the residential elevator.
Okay, so a nice feature here with the integration of the facial recognition Suprema readers with the ICT GX system, access control system, is that you can open the door without having a fob. So it will recognize your face, and there you go. Okay, so now we're in a loud room where we have our controllers. For example, here we have our main controller over here, and these are the power supply and reader expanders. For, like in this case, only on this cabinet you have 12 doors in here, and we have the other cabinet that's only expansion modules. As you can see, this is the power supply for the electrical locks, and we also have the switch for all the cameras on this side of the building. So here we have our server rack for Agora, where we have the ICT GX access control system, and also we have the NVRs for the Arkiv camera system, where we have over 160 cameras, 170 cameras throughout all the buildings in this facility.
Like you know, the success of a project like this requires good planning, a qualified team, and the right partners. By working with Inaxis, we ensure that we are working with quality products, but above all, we could count on their very advanced technical support. On behalf of GMS, I thank you and I hope you enjoyed the visit.